Introducing Swich by Abode. This revolutionary product will transform any existing kitchen tap or new one into a filtered water tap, delivering a constant supply of crystal clear filtered water. This improves the taste of drinks, reduces plastic waste and saves money. It also means you don't have to compromise on style to have the added luxury of filtered cold water on tap. Pair Swich with any style of tap, whether it be professional, pull out, single lever or monoblock. Any style, any type. Swich is also available in 4 finishes: chrome, brushed nickel, matte black and brushed brass. The Swich control is easy to install and use. It works in conjunction with your new or existing mixer tap and can be even used in your bathroom. It can be installed in the spare tap hole of a reversible kitchen sink or in your worktop by adding a new hole measuring 35mm in diameter. There are 2 filter choices when you buy Swich, the classic or the high resin filter. The classic filter will meet your needs if you live in a soft to medium water area. Choose the high resin filter if you're in a hard or very hard water area. This filter is included in our filter recycle scheme, reducing even further the effect of single-use plastic on the natural environment. Visit our website for further information on our filters. To find out what type of area you live in, contact your local water supplier. This innovative product has been endorsed by a number of industry awards for its originality and eco-credentials. Visit our website for more information.